Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how you can factory reset this device. So we have to grab your remote control and go for the menu button. Next you have to scroll down by using arrows just like that and click on the setup. Then you have to scroll down another time and go for the system menu. When you are here you have to go for the shipping condition, click OK, switch to the yes, click OK another time. As you can see, our all data will be erased. So we have to confirm right now. We don't have to turn off our device, and be patient. As you can see, after a few moments our TV is completely reset and we can start with the first setup. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.